Hello Commanders, Commander Fu, welcoming you to another edition of Battle Warship Naval Empire Training Academy. Today I'd like to go into the aircraft factory and show you a little bit about material merging. It's a very simple thing. A lot of people seem to not understand it, but it's just a simple concept that you're going to take some of the materials that you have here, which most of these, it'll tell you where you get these items at the bottom. It tells you what it is and how you obtain them and what they're good for. So when you go through with some of the upgrade materials for your aircraft, and these also do more than just the aircraft. These also are useful for some of the equipment upgrades and just various other things. But when you're going through, and we'll take for instance the compound carbon fiber, I have quite a few of these, but there's some of these other items that I don't have so many of. If I have an excessive number of one and I need other materials so that I can do some upgrades, you're able to use the merge button. If you push the merge button, you'll see that for every 2 carbon fiber I can make 1 of the M100 steels. So if I'm short, I can take and bump this up, and it'll give you how many, as you bump it up, how many you're going to receive, not how many you're actually spending. So by hitting the button, we merge, and now we have more of the M100 steel. Interesting thing there is, after you do that, you can now come across and say, okay, well, I need multifunctional pods in order to do upgrade for my aircraft. So we go across and we do this. After this, now I have taken the excessive number of the carbon component, and now I have some of the multifunctional pods. So this is a way, if you're short on the items and you just need a quick boost without having to go out and defeat level 7-12 East China Sea Pirate, you can take what you do have and use it for what you don't have. The only problem is when you go across, you're losing 2 for every 1, and then when you do the second transition, you're essentially taking 4 of one item to make 1 of the other item. So not the best way to do things on a regular basis, but if you notice, you've got, like it said here, I've got 460 of this, the compound carbon fiber, and I need more of the multifunctional pods. It's a good way to get to where I need to be so that I can at least get a little bit more on my aircraft. So when you're, and again, you can see where you need these items when you go into an aircraft and you hit the level, and it shows what items you need. And it shows what you have based on what, and also what it needs for that upgrade. So it gives you a chance to get your aircraft leveled up. If you have the uranium that you need to be able to do it and you don't have the materials, this is just a good way to get there, and it allows you to move on. So I hope everybody got a little something out of this, and if you like the content of what I've been bringing, please hit the subscribe button and the like button, and leave comments. Any comments for future episodes of things you'd like to see, that would be appreciated as well. Have a nice day.